What is going on, guys? Today I am going to be making a website for Roast My Code. And I don't know how this video is going to go, but we'll see. So, I have been learning some HTML and a bit of CSS. We might play around with this little guy over here. Been doing a little bit of CSS. But, obviously I'm a noob, so I'm going to make a video to kind of get better at doing this. So what we're gonna do is basically, let me just give you guys kind of what I want. I've also learned a bit of JavaScript. Okay, I might do that. I don't know, if you guys get lucky, I'll do Java. But besides that, today I want to have a way that I won't know how. I'm not gonna make this website probably on the internet because I don't know how to get it actually on the internet. I think you need to use like GitHub or something. I tried to figure it out. It's a bit confusing. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. But I'm just going to make this and pretend it's on the internet, even though it's not. Okay, so I'm a bit, not really rusty at HTML, but forgetful, I'll say. I'm forgetful. So what I want is this is enter code below. So could just have that be a paragraph element, or I could have this be a label, because under it, my friends, my absolute comrades. So we'll just say enter code below. But under it, my comrades, and obviously I can't type, so that's obviously the running joke. Okay. Crap. Okay. Enter code. So that's just going to be the ID. And I'm probably going to mess a bunch of stuff up, but that's how you learn. Okay. Name. Enter code. Okay. Then what is it? It's called a form, I think. Yeah. So form ID enter code, and then type, what's it called, like a text area or something. Hopefully it like shows up for me. Text area. I forgot what it was called. I'll just do type text. I don't know what it's called, but obviously it's not going to be enough. Let me research that. What is, sorry, I've got on Duolingo, if you're wondering what that was. What is the, or more of just, how do you, how to make a form with textaria. Yes, textaria in, see, I'm not going crazy, it's a thing, I think. W3 Schools obviously is my boy. Okay. So let's just look at this. Okay, so you don't change the thing, you just change this. Hopefully. And then this is an ID. See, I'm rusty, and, obviously forgetful, not really. Okay. Or I am forgetful, but, or of what I've learned. Okay. But it's always useful to learn. Okay. Textaria. There you go. See, I'm not going crazy, at least I think. So it makes this kind of thing, which is what I would need, because if it was a text, it would just be like this big. It's not going to be that long. Or it might be, I don't know. Name, enter code, okay, I got that. Label doesn't need a name, okay. I can also make this paragraph, have paragraph tags in it. I didn't know that. Steal you, put you over here. You're not wanting to go? Okay. Why are you not wanting to go? I don't know. I'm doing it the manual way, though. Okay. Crap. You're not doing that. Okay. You do you. You do you. And I'm just going to chill over here. Okay. Sometimes what you just got to do in life. Okay. Text area. So it's rows and calls, right? So rows, I'll do 100. Rows. No, this wouldn't need 100. I'll do 100. I'll do 100. And then calls. We'll do 250. There might be code longer than that, but oh well. Oh well. Okay. Run without debugging on Chrome. Wow, that's big. Wow, that's huge. Okay. I don't think that needs all this. So what if, I'm just interested, what if I do 75? You can always experiment, guys. You can always experiment. Let me just do this. Run without debugging. See, I could even go smaller. Because it doesn't need all that. It doesn't need all that. Okay. Run without debugging. Doesn't even need that. Wow. Okay. I'm going to do 25. I am doing 25. Because it looks kind of weird when it's not on the screen. Oh. Oh, I'm doing it backwards. Sorry, guys. I was doing it backwards. That's my bad. I was doing it backwards, guys. Okay. I think that's still going to be way too much. So I'm going to do 25. And then there's just going to be a bunch of rows, which is kind of what you need. Okay. We'll do this. That was my bad, guys. Sorry. That's way too thin, though. That's way too thin, though. Okay, fine. I'll do 50. I didn't know it would be that thin. Yeah, that's still too thin. Okay, I'm doing 100. Fine. I don't know why I didn't just do 100. Probably because it wasn't working before. Okay, this should be like perfect. Okay, there you go. That seems good. Enter code. Yeah, that's huge. But it works. It works, and I'm not going to screw around with it. So, now for the $1 million question, guys. For the $1 million question, can you tile text areas in CSS? Text area. You can. You can. That is actually rad. Okay, I'm going to do background color. Let's make it aqua. Love the color aqua, guys. And obviously, look at this. You can do whatever freaking color you want. Okay. But we'll do green. Or just aqua. I don't know. Then text color. Text color. I guess just color? Is that just all it is? Color. We'll do brown. We'll do brown. Okay. Now let's see this. And I'm just having fun, guys. I'm just chilling. Crap. Okay, what is he doing? Okay. I just run it again. Okay, there we go. Please don't throw a fit. So my computer's throwing a fit, basically, is what you're saying. Okay. Can I just make you die? Okay. You can just die. Let's look at Microsoft Edge. Guess that's not. He's not even waking up. Install an extension. Install an extension for CSS. There we go. Okay. If I do how to code. Okay, that's actually rad. That is actually kind of dandy. That's kind of dandy, not gonna lie. Then obviously what we gotta do is we've gotta have a button. Okay. And then just submit. Name. Sorry, I can't type. Why is it clicking comma? Okay. Name, submit. You stop throwing a fit and I'll be good. Okay. What is this little thing up here? What are you doing? Okay. I don't know what he's doing. Is there a button, please? Yes. Okay. And let me just do a break. Oh, wow. Okay. So I love coding because it always goes wrong. Okay. Just kidding. That's why I hate coding. Okay. Yay, you're actually down. What if I do like 3 of those? Or like, I'll do 2 breaks. So I think that make it better. Okay. Yeah, that's chilling. Okay. So, obviously, this I'm thinking could be, because I obviously want to have my website, but this isn't going to be my website. This could be a page, and then I click a link to go to it. So, that's one page, alright? Then if we go, another one, file, no, okay, let me just do roast my code dot html. Okay, so we got this guy, this friend, because I don't feel like doing all this. I'm gonna go make this guy over here. And I might be completely doing this wrong, so you guys can tell me in the comments. Okay. I'll keep the JavaScript then. But all of you guys are gone. And then I'll just say, roast my code. Just so it has a little bit of variety. And we also, I think we would need another CSS, so I'll just do, that's what I would think. I don't know. I want to use a different one though.